There's so much ice cream here. Such a large selection. Now I will try all this ice cream.
Hello, Mr. Doh Head. Welcome to our delicious ice cream parlor. May I take your order?
Of course.
What flavors are you craving today?
Oh, I'm so worried. I'd like 1 scoop of strawberry chocolate ice cream. Please.
What a good choice. We are already making your ice cream. As for Mr. Doh Head's order. Perfect. Let's serve this delicious treat to Mr. Doh Head.
Oh my god, this is simply amazing. Yum 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 yum. Oh my belly, ice cream. Yum 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 yum. Hello chocolate. Yum 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 yum. And of course, I can't forget about the cone. I have a sweet tooth and still crave more. Can I have some more ice cream, please?
Of course. What would you like this time?
Banana ice cream, please.
Mr. Doh Head's next order is a scoop of banana ice cream in a cone with some delicious syrup on top. Already on the way. Mr. Doh Head will definitely love this. That's all. Enjoy.
This is a mountain of ice cream. Yum 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 yum. Oh, the sprinkles add a nice crunch. Yum 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 yum.
Wow, you finished eating so quickly.
No, I want more, please.
Of course. Mr. Doh Head definitely loves his ice cream.
Here you go. This is the best day. Oh, the strawberry syrup is so delicious. Okay, time to enjoy some ice cream. Ooh, I love this crispy cone. Yum 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 yum. Oh, oh. Oh.
What happened? These are your teeth, Mr. Doh. Oh no, let's take you to the dentist right now. Oh my goodness, you seem to have quite a lot of cavities. Let's start by brushing your teeth with this tool. Wow, this is solid. I know it hurts, Mr. Doh, but you'll feel better soon. Now let's use the drill to tackle more difficult areas. Don't worry, it will only take a minute. Now let's brush our teeth and freshen our breath. Your teeth are now sparkling clean and healthy.
Thank you very much for taking me to the dentist. I feel much better now.
No problem, Mr. Doh Head. Since you're feeling better now, would you like some more ice cream? You can't be serious. Haha, just kidding. See you next time. Bye.